Welcome back, true believers, to Cosmic Comics Pressing.
Hey everyone, so we are back. I jumped the gun a little bit just because I didn't want to bore you guys in the process of putting each and every single page back onto the staples. That's already been done. Now I'm just gonna try to make this a quick little video. I'm gonna go ahead and fold over the staples and finish the process of assembling the book with using my little caster steel ball, which also helps to put back the staples. It helps me out quite a bit. All I got here just holding the book in place is just two backer boards, two 2.5 pound weights on each side, so it won't move on me. I got it nice and squared out. We're gonna use the capable staple tool. Shout out to Immaculate Clean Comics. And we're gonna go ahead and start. So first thing I'm gonna do on this tool right here, it's got a little hole. You guys can see it right there, and I'll use that to kind of like just hold it in place while I'm pushing the other side down, and I'll repeat the same process on the other side. So I think my press is about to go off, so you guys might hear a beep. And this process right here, you gotta be real gentle with, because if you mess up, guess what? We're starting all over. So I'm just trying to decide which side I want to roll it onto. Okay, I think I'm gonna do right there. And now on my tool here, I'll get my little spatula. See that hole right there? I'll put like the edge of the staple inside the hole, and I'll use that to push it over. Or sometimes I use the edge, because like I said, this thing has some weight on it, and it just helps me out quite a bit. Let's see here. We got one side down. There it goes. Excuse me. All right. And now we're gonna do the top side over here. Put that in there. And then we'll push it over. Like so. And then I'll move my caster wheel out of the way, and bear with me, I'm gonna flip my whole piece of tile around so I can reach the other side a lot easier. Very carefully. Let me turn on my light here, get some more lighting going on. Just like that. Make sure you guys can see. And then you guys are gonna have to just forgive me, because I'm still trying to figure out the editing thing, how to zoom in. I'll get it. So then now we're gonna remove this one. And this also has a little notch right here that helps me put it on top of the staple that's already pushed down, kind of hold it in place so it won't move around on me. So we'll do this side right here. Sometimes I'll move on you. Almost got it. Okay, now we'll do this one. Just like that. We got both down. And now I'll remove my weights. Put these to the side. Take off my backer boards. Now we can flip the book around. Take a better look at it. Staples are nice and down. Let's look at the other side and hopefully we can punch it through. And everything looks to be okay. We are good. Fold this over. There she is. Now what I'll do, just stick it in my humidifier chamber, leave it there overnight, a few hours. That'll soften this up because it needs moisture in the pages. And then we will press it and we'll have our final results. So stay tuned. All right, my cosmic viewers. So we are back again. And let me turn this light on, sorry. There we are. This has been pressed twice already. Not 100% sure if I want to press it again. But overall, I think the book turned out pretty well. As you can see, it's been mended. It's all put back together. We can still see some of the creases, but that's a given for the year of the book and the wear that it already has. But it cleared up pretty well. It didn't quite square up too well like I wanted to right here on the edge. I had it actually fixed, and when I pressed it again, it went back. So I'm gonna fix that again before I turn the book back in. By the way, I want to thank Brent King. You could follow him or find him on Facebook. This book currently is for sale. If anybody's interested, get a hold of him. He'll be glad to give you more information on all that stuff. But let's take a look at the inside of the book. Here is the inside page. Got a lot more wider. I cleaned up a lot of the front inner page as well. This was real nasty and just had like stuff on it, black stuff on it, which we got rid of. I didn't show the process of that. Didn't want to bore you guys too much with all that stuff. Let's see here. You can see we can turn every page. And like I said, I did mend a few of the inside pages. Not all of them. But you can't even really tell on some of these. That Tengojo paper looks real good. I think it's a lot better than that document tape that they use. It's been mended right here. Nice. Looks real nice. Everything's nice and tight. Trying to get to the center page. I'll show you guys a staple area. Let's see here. There it is. There's our staples. Excuse me. Let's go all the way to the back. Every page is put back together. Remember, we had that one page that was not attached. It's all there. This is nice and clean on the back as well. Here's the other side of it. Got a lot wider. I'll be showing pictures of the stuff that came out of the book, what the inside pages look like before I even cleaned them, what they look like now. Unfortunately, like I said, I don't know how to leaf cast yet, but this was an area that I wanted to work on, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Here's the back of the book. Nice and clean. But overall, I think the book came out good. Here is the spine we mended. You guys see that? Nice and mended, all put back together. And there it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. And thank you everybody for watching. Appreciate everybody's support, all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you.